Hi, in this short video I'm going to show you how to get GridWorld up and running. So you'll download from me in Haiku this zip file gridworld.code. When you double click it, it will extract from that this folder GridWorld code. You move that into your folder where you're keeping your Java projects for this course. Okay. Now we'll start up BlueJ. And by the way, all these instructions are in an algorithm, a text-based algorithm. But some of you might find the video easier. So once I have BlueJ open, I'm going to go to BlueJ, Preferences. From the Preferences menu, I'll choose Libraries. I'm going to delete that. I'm going to add, you shouldn't have anything there when you go to Libraries. I'm going to add from my 214, 215 Java programs, open up GridWorld code. I'm going to add gridworld.jar, right? There's a bunch of classes that will become accessible by adding this jar file, which is just a kind of like a specially zipped Java project. And I'll choose that. So now it says it's not loaded, so that means that I'm going to have to restart BlueJ. I'm going to say OK. It tells me right here that basically it's not going to work until restart. So we'll quit BlueJ and we'll restart BlueJ. And now what I'm going to do is open up this GridWorld code folder, and from this first project, this folder called first project, I'll start that up, and you'll be looking at something like this, right? Bug runner. And from this, you call the main method, and it should give you a window that looks roughly like this. If you don't see any grid here, then simply go to world set grid, choose this method bounded grid that takes 2 integers as parameters. That's what the 2 in here means. Set those parameters to 10 and 10 and say OK. And that should then give you the grid with and if there's nothing in it, which there probably won't be, then you simply right-click on this and you can add an actor. You can add as many actors as you want. You can add a bug. You can add a bug of a particular color. So let's add a red one. Red is there. Scroll down. Say OK. You can add a rock. And you can add a rock of a particular color. So we'll do a gray rock. Okay. And now, each of these icons represents a Java object of the class that you chose. So we've got the actor class, the bug class, and the rock class. Okay. And you can actually hit run here and see what happens. And I'm going to end this video right now because it's getting long. But the next video will be looking at what you're actually, what's going on here. Okay. So you can set that to go fast, slow. You can stop it. You can step it so it runs one at a time. And at any rate, that's it for this video. Thanks.